You're not lazy and you're not broken. You're just using broken down systems. Most people fail because of lack of motivation. They fail because of feeding mistakes they keep repeating without even knowing it. If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or like you're running in circles, then this video is for you. Let's fix it together. Hey everyone, welcome back to TheHPerfect, the channel where we break down productivity, AI, business, and upskill in a way that is simple and straight to the point. Today we're diving into how to actually achieve your goals faster, not by some hyped up technique, but by avoiding the silent killers of progress. We're talking about the mistakes to make that you don't even know you're making and the habits that could either lead to your growth or slow self-destruction. So if you're feeling left behind, if you're feeling like you're always starting over, then you're in the right place. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, not because it only helps the channel, but it helps us to build a community where growth feels good and goals don't feel lonely. Let's start with this. Productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing the right things consistently without burning out. And yet, here's what some people do. They feel they have to do this with 15 small tasks to feel busy. They multitask thinking it makes them more efficient and start the day with social media instead of strategy. And what's the result? By 2 p.m., you feel exhausted and you can't even remember what you really achieved. Productivity is a strategy game and not a hustle contest. Let me show you what's silently destroying your progress. We all say, I just need to plan it out first. I will start once I've got it all figured out. But here's the reality. Getting ready to get ready is a trap. Perfectionism isn't about being excellent. It's about being scared. Scared to mess up. Scared to be seen starting small. But here's what you should try and do instead. Start before you're ready. Build momentum, not masterpieces. Let clarity come from action and not overthinking. Have you ever spent 45 minutes picking out the right app to plan your goals, or kept on tweaking your Notion page layout without actually getting the real work done? Yes, that's how perfectionism can silently kill your momentum. Now, I've heard this one a lot and I've personally fallen victim to this. So people say time block your day. But what do we actually do? We make an ideal schedule for a non-ideal world. Maybe we say wake up by 5 a.m., by 5:15 maybe prayers, by 5:30 we go work out, by 6 a.m. we read a book, and all this is super heavy on us and we don't even know where to start. And you find out that you wake up by 9 and by 10 you get distracted with social media or something like that. And then at the end of the day you feel like a complete failure. Instead, here's what you should try and do. You should plan for friction, add buffer time, time to rest, time to relax, build a fail-safe schedule, something that can actually survive the real world. You can also use the 2-for-1 method, where you set two important things and everything else is a bonus. Here's something nobody tells you. Emotion drives execution. You don't need more tools, you need fewer emotional blocks. When you say I don't feel like it, what are you actually feeling? Fear of failing, guilt from yesterday, overwhelmed from unclear steps, or laziness. You can't fix what you don't face. Real talk, spend 5 minutes each morning asking yourself, what am I feeling? Why? What do I have to do even if I don't feel like it? And that's productivity built on self-awareness. We all make to do this, but do you have a do not do list? Let's build it. Do not open social media before finishing your first deep work session. Do not reply to every notification. Do not compare your day one to someone else's year 3. Do not chase dopamine, but build discipline. If you didn't know what dopamine is, basically a neurotransmitter which is responsible for motivation, reward, and all those stuff. So write down today 3 things that you need to stop doing, because growth isn't all about adding but also about removing and subtracting what's slowing you down. Now that I've looked at some of the mistakes people make which slows them down, let's look at what you should actually be doing which will help you achieve your goals faster. Number 1, we should start with a 20 minutes focus block with no excuses, no scrolling, no snacking, just pure progress. This builds your ability to concentrate and plan more effectively. You should also try the one win rule, where you ask yourself, what is that one thing that if I do, will get the needle moving? This keeps you from being overwhelmed with where to start and helps you to actually feel accomplished at the end of the day. You should also surround yourself with positive energy, uplifting friends, creators, mentors, and even playlists. This will help boost your mindset, motivation, and momentum like rocket fuel. At number 3, we have your weekly journal check-in. What worked and what didn't, or what just looks productive. This helps you track patterns, course correct fast, and grow with awareness. For those of you who feel like I'm falling behind, others are so much better than me, I keep starting all over, I want to remind you that this channel is a judgment-free zone, and you showing up here is really what matters, because small wins stacked every day build unstoppable momentum. Build schedules that survive real life. Control your environment, not just your mindset. Master your energy by mastering your emotions. Productivity is more about subtraction than addition. Most importantly, start even when everything seems messy, even when you're unsure, because productivity loves movement. If this video helped, make sure you guys leave a like, share this video with a friend, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Not just because it helps the channel, but it helps us to build a good, supporting, and judgment-free community. Thanks for being here, and as always, I'm wishing you guys all the best. Have a wonderful day.